The trip to Dubai has been wonderful. One of the best experiences I've ever had. We've had a great time and so much more than I anticipated.
Everything we've done with this trip to Dubai have been incredible.
This has been the most amazing trip of my entire life. Everything in Dubai is bigger, better, more blingier.
It is a city and a country that is very new. It's only 45 years old. Everything is so new, everything's so clean.
It is a very, very safe country. It's a safe haven for people to come and live.
It's a blend of modern and amazing and traditional, and that's why we all say wow.
This Gate 1 tour of the United Arab Emirates begins in Dubai, one of the world's most futuristic cities with record-breaking architecture and world-class shopping. Next, we explore Abu Dhabi, surrounded in white sand beaches and home to the Sheikh Zayed Mosque, considered one of the most beautiful mosques in the world.
So Dubai, the architecture is amazing, and you can tell they're trying to be the best of the best. Everything that they do, all their buildings are beautiful, but they all have their own character.
All my words are amazing, awesome, fabulous in Dubai.
One of the outstanding spots we went to was Burj Khalifa. To actually be there and experience it was something.
The Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world, towering over 2,700 feet. We go to the observation deck. It is at 124th and 125th floor, and it will only take you 60 seconds to go to the 124th floor.
Wonderful views, 360 degrees all over the Dubai area. And the mall, in the bottom of that, was quite impressive. 1,000 stores in the mall.
From there we take a traditional boat using the Abra to cross the waterway, and then we end up at the world-famous Spice and Gold Market. So we get to see all these amazing spices that come in from different parts of the world, and we get to see how Dubai used to trade in the olden days.
We visit the spice market and the gold market. If you go to the gold market, you will see huge necklaces made out of gold and precious stones. And then you can also buy a ring or a small earring. You don't have to buy the big necklaces.
In the evening, we're going to do the Dow Cruise, which is cruising along the Dubai Creek in a traditional boat.
It was nice going down the river. The food was great, and it was nice being able to go up on the top level to be able to see the city, along with to enjoy the weather.
My trip to Abu Dhabi was in a different wonderfulness. Abu Dhabi had that real cultural feel, and also they're on the Gulf, which was lovely.
So the mosque in Abu Dhabi was stunning. You just have to see it. I don't even know how to describe it.
Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, the largest mosque here in the UAE, and in my eyes, the most beautiful mosque I've seen.
There we visit the inner prayer halls, see the beautiful artisans that had done work from all over the world.
The mosque was beyond description. Just a wonderful, peaceful experience. Pictures wouldn't do it justice.
Safari is one of my favorite tours. It's like a roller coaster in the sand.
So the desert safari, that was amazing. Going up and down over the sand dunes, that was really fun.
I'd never done sand duning before, didn't really know what to expect. Our driver, Mohammed, kept it very entertaining. It was also interesting to see just the desert and the orange sand. Beautiful.
We head towards a camping area, which is actually a recreation of how people lived in the desert. And there you can experience many things, starting with the camel.
Got some henna done. So henna is this hand painting that the locals do here. Had an opportunity to hold a falcon. Of course, the food that we had from the barbecue, that was delicious.
We were able to sit on little cushions, lower to the ground, which kind of puts you into the mood of the environment that we were in.
There's two shows, but one of dances that you see will be the belly dancer.
So everything was wonderful. I'd recommend it to anybody.
This has been my very first trip with Gate 1, and I highly recommend them. Gate 1 has provided so much more than I had ever expected.
I like Gate 1 because it's all-inclusive. You don't have to worry about anything. I always tell my friends to try Gate 1 because I've tried other companies, but Gate 1's been the best for me.
The amount that we paid to travel internationally, to have the tours and all of the things included as far as the hotel and the food and the attractions, it was an awesome price.
The hotels are amazing. The value for the money is exceptional.
Shanez, who has been the travel guide on all of our tours, has been wonderful, particularly because of her insight into the area. I'm definitely going to be traveling Gate 1 again, and I'll be telling all of my friends about Gate 1 travel.
So come to Dubai with Gate 1, where you can experience history in the making
and see what's got the world talking. The biggest, the tallest, the fastest, that's Dubai.